Ready.
So, hi, Miss Dunks. I'd like to thank you so much for accepting my book as part of the collections of McMaster University's Mills Memorial Library archives. I am so elated because the legacy of Miss Lou continues to live on. As a child who was on her ringing program in Jamaica, it brings me great joy to know that I am continuing to pass on the baton of culture that Miss Lou had asked us to do. What she has done is to give us a sense of who we are. She reminded us of how great we are as a unique people, Jamaicans, and through patois, and through our wonderful culture, she has written books and performed, and now you have her works here, and I get to add to the collection as part of the legacy. So thank you very much. Thank you for the partnership between Canada and Jamaica. Canada, the true north, strong and free, and Jamaica, out of many, one people, together in unity. It's a lovely occasion to be here today at the Mills Memorial Library.
Great.
Thank you very much, Ms. Dunks.
Thank you so much,
Yes,
Ms. Hernandez.
thank you for having this for posterity, for legacy, and may people who come here to research and to read, may you continue to write and document and preserve your culture, because they are stories for others to be edified for a lifetime. Ay, ay, ay. This is Miss Tanya Lou here.